Right guys, I have had a bit of a bloody nightmare with my my recent videos basically on YouTube. It's happened over sort of a couple of years with filming YouTube videos and they keep on messing up. So basically it's to do with my GoPro mount on my camera and the audio in the videos. So I'll go off, I'll film a lovely video, and I'm never 100% sure as to whether the audio's working. So then I'll come back, I'll think, oh, fantastic, what a lovely video. Pop it up on the computer, check the footage back, and half of the audio is not working. It's just windy, it's blurry, it's a complete nightmare. Right guys, so what am I doing at the moment? So I run a GoPro Hero 10. So I chuck it, the GoPro, on the chin mount on the helmet. So you've got nice movement with the GoPro there. And then what I use is a lavalier lav microphone that plugs directly into the back of the GoPro. Okay, Bob's your uncle, lavalier in the GoPro. Open the helmet. It's all taped up in the back there. Then you've got the receiver or transmitter, whatever you want to call it, here with a dead cat thing on to stop the wind, and it just tucks in the helmet there. Most of the time, it's flawless and the audio is really good. So I've tried various things with this. I've bought a new lavalier, I've bought a new GoPro like media mod where the jack plugs into. It solved the problem for a few videos, but now the problem has just returned. What I think's happening basically is the lavalier, if I'm saying that right, is it lavalier, stick with that. It just comes out by even 0.5 millimeter of the GoPro and you've lost all of your audio. The audio starts running off of the camera. So I need to basically get rid of the lavalier and come up with a wireless option for my audio. Okay guys, on the XADV 750, off to go and sort out this audio problem. I appreciate it's a bit of a random video, but I thought I'd just switch the camera on and do a bit of a vlog today. I don't know why, I get quite nervous before I start making these videos now. Nervous as to whether they're actually interesting or not. So, thank you. I don't know if you can hear me or not yet. There's no way of me possibly telling whether this audio with the lavalier plugged in, oh god, concentrate, oh, come on guys, okay mate, I go with the lavalier plugged in, as whether it's working, whether the audio is coming through. Like I say, most of the time it does work flawlessly, and GoPro does a really good job at not clipping too much, so when it's too loud and it distorts the audio, it comes out really well and really clearly when it works. But some of the times, look, I'll go and do a lovely video and I'll finish the bike review, probably a motorbike review, come back, put the footage on the computer, look at it and be like, oh god, the whole intro or half of the video has just not been recorded with the audio. It's been recorded with the actual mic on the front of the GoPro. Where is it? There. So it's all wind. You literally can't hear my, it's just completely unusable. And that is, I know it sounds pathetic, but that is so frustrating. It is one of the most, you could almost cry when you upload it. You put so much effort into the video, had a really good day, you know, spent money travelling there, put a bit of effort into it, and you get home and it's completely buggered. You can't effing use the friggin' videos. So I am sorting it and I've spent some money on it. Like I said, I think it's £349, but we'll have a look when we get there. And when we get there, I'll reveal what I've bought, reasoning behind why I've bought it, and yeah, and sort of maybe try and set it up when I get home as well. Ah, damn it, that motorbike ahead, just to give you a clue of the camera I'm getting, I think he's got the one I'm getting. He's got it on his helmet on the chin mount. So if we can catch him at the next lights, you'll be able to get a little sneak peek. I really want to catch that bike. It's him there. He's got my future camera. Here we go. Can we get him here? Oh god, see, the XADV is good, but she's quite a wide girl for filtering. Not ideal. Just squeeze through here. Come on, yes, we can get him. There he is. You probably can't see. Oh god, he's off. He's gone. He's rapid. You probably couldn't see that. Anyway, nearly at the shop. Motorbike parking. Motor. Cool parking. Third left. First left. Right. I probably sound so retarded at the moment. Oh, you are joking. The road's closed to where the most... But this is not easy, team. Starting to annoy me now. Stinks of weed as well. Oh no, this is it. Beauty. Motorbike parking. Come on. Let's just slip her in there. Right, do we have to pay? Solo motorcycles only, Monday to Saturday. It's free, it's Sunday. Jackpot. Right guys, all parked up. There she is, the XADV, the beast herself. It's quite a cool looking thing, so it's a special edition, so it looks quite glitzy with the paintwork like that. I hope she doesn't get nicked. No lock on it. I'm only going to be 15 minutes maximum, so I think it'll be all right. It's DJI. Oh yes, we went for the DJI, the Hasselblad store in Regent Street. So here we go. Here's the counter. Look at all of this. They've got everything. Drones. It's really impressive, this company, how they've come on. All the gimbals for your iPhones. More drones. Loving the drones. And the action cameras. Okay, enough of that. Let's go get mine. Okay, team, and there she is. Package firmly required even. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Done a lot of research on it. Well, however much you can do in one afternoon. And I decided on this one because it does look very good. It's very lightweight, but mainly because its audio compatibility and audio quality is meant to be very good, and it's meant to be very easy for specifically motovlogging. So if this doesn't sort out my audio concerns, then I don't think anything will. Right guys, reasoning behind the move to the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Here's the box. This is not a sponsored video, by the way, at all. I'm not getting paid any money for this. So I did my own research. Here's the GoPro. Here's the new Osmo 5. Now, obviously, like I said earlier, the GoPro mounts onto the helmet, and you plug in your jack. And the reason my audio keeps on failing is the jack keeps on popping out by 0.5 millimeter, and it just wipes all of the audio. So, the plan: mount the new mount and clip, all of these sort of accessories to mount it onto the helmet. We'll go through that in another video. But mount the new DJI onto the helmet. And the thing about the DJI is you also have what I'm using right now, this little microphone here. Comes in this box. It's a DJI Mic Mini. You get 2 when you order them. This little... Oh, it might have actually... I think it's recording twice now. This little mini microphone, I can completely get rid of the lavalier wire here, and I can stick this little microphone to the inside of the helmet. Somewhere in there, there's a magnet, it'll go in there fine. Yet to work that out. But that will go in there, and it connects by Bluetooth wirelessly to the camera, the Osmo Action 5 Pro. So there's no wires or anything to come loose or become disconnected. It's just Bluetooth. You press record on the Osmo 5 Pro, and the little microphone connects via Bluetooth immediately, and you're good to go. Nothing theoretically can go wrong. That's the theory behind it. £349 I think I spent for this kit. You get a little selfie stick and some batteries and a few other little accessories with the camera as well. But that's the plan, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. Have I made the right move? Gonna finish the video there, but I'm gonna sort all of this out slowly, methodically, work out how to do it and test it out on the road. And yeah, I'll do a whole nother video explaining how I've sort of set it up, what the best settings are, how it's worked, and whether the new formula has solved my audio problem. Many thanks for watching. Take it easy out there. Ciao, bella.